afternoon, I'm Zach.
And I'm Paul.
And we are your source for all things weather, coming to you from somewhere way north. Last week, some viewers emailed us their burning questions related to blizzards.
We would like to share our findings with you. Mary from San Diego writes, what is a blizzard and how does it work? Well, Mary, I don't think we need to worry about blizzards anytime soon. But here it goes. A blizzard is a long-lasting snowstorm with very strong winds and intensity of air. You need three things to form a blizzard: cold air at the surface, lots of moisture and lift, warm air must rise over cold air.
Very interesting, Paul. Now that we know how a blizzard forms, here comes our second question from Isabella from Austin, Texas. Once again, I can't recall the last time Austin ever saw a blizzard, so I think you're safe, Isabella. Isabella asks, where and when can blizzards occur? They are formed in a region of high atmospheric pressure, turned up a ridge, and tracks with a region of low atmospheric pressure. Blizzards are most common in the United States, mostly in the upper Midwest and the Great Plains, according to the National Weather Service. Blizzards are also very common in Canada and Russia, where it can get very, very cold.
Thanks, Zach. Now that we know how blizzards form and where we can find them, we know they can produce a lot of snow. Let's talk about their measurable detected and forecasted. Blizzards are easily tracked by the satellite radar, and observations from the ground from weather balloons sent up every 12 hours. The atmosphere pressure is plotted to determine where the lower level can be difficult to get an accurate measure of how snow sometimes melts as it falls and can be blown around. Other ways to measure snowfall is to measure the amount of water contained in the snow.
Hey Paul, you mentioned forecasts. What's the difference between a blizzard watch and a blizzard warning?
Good question, Zach. I'm sure one that would be very helpful to our listeners. A blizzard watch is when meteorologists believe that the conditions are right for the blizzard. Warning is when they're absolutely sure a blizzard is on the way.
Tom from Boston writes, I lived through the blizzard of '93, and it wasn't pretty. That's right, Tom. Blizzards can cause a tremendous amount of damage. For example, they can cause wires to freeze and snap and cause electrical hazards, including fires. They can cause trees to fall due to high winds and heavy snow. Tree limbs may not be able to support the heavy snow or wind. Beware of falling trees and branches. Your best bet will just be to stay inside.
That's a good point, Zach. Let's talk about how people can stay safer in a blizzard. Listen to the radio or TV for weather warnings. During a storm, don't drive, stay home, and stay inside at all possible. If you don't get stuck outside, be sure to have lots of warm. If you do get stuck outside, be sure to have lots of warm clothing whenever possible. Wear mittens instead of gloves because mittens conserve better heat. Have an emergency kit with you as well. Best blizzard, remember to be careful with electrical wires and
So, Paul, if you're packing a blizzard disaster kit, I bet you include the following. Blankets, extra clothes, where did I put my shirt? Oh, yes. Food and water for at least 3 days. Not sure how that got there. Jackets. And scarves and hats. Not to mention gloves and a lot of supplies that are needed to survive a blizzard. Have a ton of hats for all your family. Don't forget those gloves. Remember, keep one in your house and one in your car.
I think that you get you get the picture now, and of why it's so important to stay severe weather. It's important that people can be prepared and hopefully prevent disasters and cause serious injuries and even deaths from these dangerous conditions.
We'll take one last question from Mark, who recently moved to Lake Placid, New York, who asks, are blizzards a serious threat to our state? Excellent question, Mark. Probably one you should have asked before moving to Lake Placid. Yes, there are, as the temperatures can get cold enough, and if all the conditions are right, you can experience some scary blizzards, for sure, which can cause a lot of damage to roads, buildings, homes, and people.
Well, that about does it for us today. Stay tuned next week when we talk about creative uses for all that snow, including these glow-in-the-dark snow cones, heated igloos, and much more. I'm Paul.
And I'm Zach.
And
we are your weather guys.